Okay, I was basically influenced, and I got this Dior box. I can't remember the user who influenced me, but I will definitely tag them once I remember. So, I did add in some promo codes. I'm really hoping that it came with, like, the free gifts. But, I mean, isn't it worth it just for this, like, themed box that I'll probably throw away immediately? Yeah. Ooh, is this... Oh, I think I wrote myself something. Let's see. Oh my god. I totally forgot that it was Diwali when I got this. So I was like, hey, just write myself a little happy Diwali. That's cute. Doesn't that sound so nice? I get the sticker. I get the sticker on my laptop. Let's fix that. Sorry, ASMR. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Does that even part of the free gift? Oh, hi, Sappy. My cat's here. Okay, this is cute. Nice little velvet. Okay. How cute is this? This is the notebook. And then in this, basically also free pledge. I don't know why they gave this to me, but I'm happy that they did. I feel like I can use this for makeup. And it has a little clutch. Just if I'm going out. Like it's really cute. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Dior. Okay. I wonder what's in here. I don't remember what I got. And honestly, I received this package probably like 2 weeks ago. And it's just been sitting beside my bed this whole time because I'm like, oh, do I want it? Should I have gotten this? Right now, I'm happy that I finally opened it. Definitely worth the wait. Oh, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Oh. Ah, that is so cute. It is the Miss Dior little mini perfume, and it is 5 mils. And I feel like this is going to be great because I'm going to go to, don't mind my nails. I did them myself. I was trying by for the first time. More about that later. But I'm going to go to Edmonton for Christmas, so I feel like having a little fresh little mini Christmas scent will be good. And I can probably reuse this. This is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's one more thing. I thought we were done. I I'm so gonna use this again. Like this is like a perfect little cotton keep all, whatever, keepsake thingy for when you're traveling. Ooh, hand cream. I'm so bringing this traveling with me, especially because Edmonton is going to be super cold. Oh my God. I forgot that I chose this scent. And right now I'm actually obsessed with vanilla and rose. Like everything is rose. I just put rose like in my bath. I have rose in my like um essential oil diffuser. Oh, and this is for myself. For some reason, I thought I chose something for my husband. I guess I didn't. Oopsies. And now for the final product. Should I open this? Okay, I don't know if I should open this or if I should get this to my sister because it was her birthday. Can you guys help me decide what I should do? Should I open it or should I gift it to my sister? Oh, I'm so confused. It was her birthday.